Hi sir, good evening. Bali, sana magustuhan mo tong video na ginawa namin para sa iyo. Galing sa Mall Kapamilya po, coffee shop.
Happy birthday, Sir Eric. I declare blessing after blessing, grace upon grace. Sir, wherever you go, God will bless you. Gusto mo yung nakaganito ako, di ba? Char. Sir, memories, happy, at ano man yun, iti-treasure namin yun. Thank you for all the knowledge. Thank you for your life na share mo sa amin. Lahat-lahat. God bless you.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Good luck sa next just keep in touch sir. Thank you sa lahat ng learnings na tinuro sa akin at sa akin.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Happy faith and God bless more power.
Hi sir, so sir, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat sir, for inspiring us sa mga payo mo. God bless and happy birthday. Ingat.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat sa naisip pa ng nakasama ka. May miss kita sir, thank you.
Hi sir! Thank you sir sa bonggang-bonggang knowledge that you imparted to us. Always continue making a difference. Best of luck and Godspeed. Bye sir!
Happy birthday sir, happy trip, enjoy your life. See you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Miss ko kung gano'n siya. Hi sir! Happy birthday! Thank you for everything. Good luck sa Pinas.
Hi sir, wish you all the best. It's your birthday and thank you sa learnings. Basta magkaroon ka ng love life. Love. Forever and ever. Amen.
Sir, happy birthday. Happy trip sir.
Hi sir, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Godspeed.